Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw seashells. Seashells, yes. I don't know if many of you have drawn the seashells. I have not personally, so it'll be a really interesting project and really good practice to draw the shapes. So here I have this seashell, and I'm going to draw this together with you. So let's practice drawing the seashell. So you have a piece of paper and a pencil and eraser. So maybe I can just do this. Might be easier to see. Yes, perfect. All right. So when you're drawing the shape of the seashell, I don't recommend to directly suddenly just draw this, a point, and then you take the outline. We want to draw again a tari for the seashells. So before we get into, sorry, let me just quickly show you my example. So I have been drawing something like this. And yes, it's the yellow one. So we want to draw this together. And I want to show you how to draw little seashell chibi character just for fun after this seashell. So that's the plan. All right. So guys, let me I'm sorry, let me just change the size. Yes, so I can show better. Okay. Okay. So what I would do is, if you notice the shape of the seashells, we can divide it into kind of two parts. So this round part and this pointy part. What I'm going to do is I am kind of giving an Atari overall shape of this part first. So I'm just doing something like this. It's not Atari, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same or perfect. You want to take the rough shape of this right part of the seashell. Then we're going to draw right here, this left part. But we don't have to draw this point right now. I want you to draw this round, like base of the shape on the left side. So here, I'm just going to draw something like this. Then we'll be adding this point later on. Okay, so first we're just drawing right part and the left part, just like that. Now we have Atari, and then we're adding some details. So I would say, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. There are some kind of like little bumps right here. So I am going to draw, it's kind of rolling in like this. Don't have to draw this arrow. So the top you go, the skinnier it gets. So now we are going to draw the second, kind of like a step, like round. When you're drawing this, make sure that this part, let's see, let's get the pencil, so this part here is a little bit bump, and then we're going to draw more bump here. So that looks more like in the seashell looking than everything is perfect triangle. You know what I mean? So we're giving a little bit bump. And then here we're giving again the little bit bump. You see that? Bump. And then we're going to connect the line here. The bump. Yeah, here you go. If you can see that, here's like some kind of little bump and bump. And then once you get to the, how to say, the widest part, we're giving some kind of, the bump again. slightly. And then we are going to actually finish to the bottom. And these lines, try to draw a little bit, not a straight line, but wobbly line. And now we have this point. And here, the left side, it's, you don't really see the strong, like, separation line. So I am going to, not gonna draw the strong line. I'm gonna erase it just a bit. And then you kind of draw light line for that. Then this is the fun part. We're going to draw these points. So first of all, we're gonna draw this, the very top one. We're going to draw. Now here's a one point. Now you can see the big curve and then left. Big curve and the left. Remember, we have this Atari line, so we kind of following the line. And now again, we have small bump, small point. So here's the small point. Then again, about the same size. And we have 1, 2. Here. And we have a mini small one. And then we are finishing off. So now I'm kind of thinking about adding this line right here. So 1, 2, yes. By the way, I didn't pick them from the vacation I went because you're not really supposed to bring all the seashells back home. So we left that, but I just bought it from a store as a souvenir. So yeah, so like that. You can see the line. And I noticed that seashells are really, really, how to say, symmetric, and it has a really the same beautiful pattern. So really good practice to draw the shapes. And please, no rulers. We're gonna draw with a freehand, of course. So I didn't know this. It's the first time I really pay attention and draw the seashell. So this is it. And once you finish, you can outline if you want to with a pen, markers, or I don't know, acrylic, whatever you have. Then I have colored like this. Yeah, there's a name like Venus comb, like in a hair comb, and Murex. That's the name apparently. So we draw, this is the back, we draw the front. Yes. So you think about, you take the rough, a shape of Atari, and you add in the details, just like you draw in the character. You take the rough, outline, and then you give in more details and details.